people know the difference between friends and acquaintance?
Question be say, who be your friend? Is your classmate your friend?
I mean, I just did the same class. So true. Who be your friend? Who be your acquaintance? Well, I think acquaintance is person where be say you know one. Not be say it be your friend like that. Say now know each other. You know, I mean, know you. You know some major details about him. You share some things in common.
Now the word be that. Now share.
Exactly.
Now don't enter na self. Now him become friendship. Oníkan yẹn máa yà ó. Bros, oníkan. Bí o bá yẹ tó rojú ẹ̀ hàn.
Àwọn ọmọ church akọ̀wé pásọ̀ di bàtà.
Àmọ́ bá Yorùbá o. Mo bá Yorùbá.
Bá fi gbọ́ Yorùbá náà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Yà take ọ̀gá yín. God bless. God bless. God bless. Gang.
Set àwọn.
The excitement today, I love it. I so much love it.
It's just one person that is not sharing in it.
No.
Which I love it.
Which I love it so much.
I love it so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ogbonge program where you like say they make sure say your life will be very much better. Only good energy and every day carry come your door this Wednesday afternoon. You know, this Wednesday is so nice. The weather is not hot, it's not cold. It's just in between.
It just did there.
It's a weather for making money. It's a weather for better life.
Weather for money.
Weather for Realty Point Limited. Now them be the people that when they carry this Ogbonge program come your door what they call better life. In fact, Realty Point don't carry your matter put on top of their head. They say, see una life go dey better. If una don't know, una must know. And don't take and make them our responsibility to make sure say your life will be better.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my name is original Sisieko herself, Chi, and of course I know they here alone. I did with the Sack Your Landlord gang. I tell you, it's not a small something.
I tell you.
I tell you something.
I tell you.
One day that we're coming here to come and give you the goodness. You know, it's.
Hey, you know from Large Junction.
I know I'm now.
Could everybody.
Yes, and a full house we get inside the studio today. Yes, so this one here come me. It is inside the studio itself today this afternoon. And of course, you know, so they do. I'm going to carry this Ogbonge matter come, and I know they don't have to talk with the Sack Your Landlord gang. Una good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Original Sisieko.
The Chichi of Lagos.
The Chichi Chiquito.
Benny.
What Chichi go show me where? As they just the jollof.
Hey, Benny.
Too much.
All right, good afternoon to you, Mr. Debo.
Good afternoon, Chichi. How are you?
I did find out. Esquire, Mr. Tommy Vincent.
We don't know when he will join the
they
choir.
They don't come on. We will gather again. Now I need choir now, no be Esquire. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, so yes, on top Realty Point Limited. Don't forget, say this Ogbonge company right about now. They're on top social media, so they always listen to better life. What is this company? They're about Realty Point. Where you dey hear land, you dey hear property, you dey hear this one sharp. As you just listen to us now, just use speed and alacrity. Rush go on top their social media platform right about now. On top Realty Point Ltd for Instagram. Then they at Realty Point Ltd. Realty na REALTY POINT. That is a point. Then you can finish on with LTD. Just go there. See the content where they get there. See all the things that they put there for you. This is a company where they for like 16 years. So not be choice. Not be quack. Not be the one where go come now. Where they call that one again? That one where they go put money. You no go see them again. Ponzi scheme.
Ponzi.
They call it Ponzi. This one no be Ponzi. This one we say when you invest your money, you can not say you don't do it. You don't invest.
You don't try for yourself.
You they use You know, your 10 fingers they chop and they prepare for the future.
Shey, and they do them sensibly. Because you get as people they do anyhow investment now. We say
I put 10 million for
now bracadabra they look for no be investment.
And then they call their village people when they manage themselves.
Shey.
They don't wish for back. They say my village people have cashed me. No, with a reality point, you don't get any excuse with your village people. I tell you. Okay, today on top Better Life, we want to talk about something we concern relationships. You know, so
yes,
so. One by follow.
Yeah.
On top relationships.
One by follow.
One by follow. That's how we do.
I like that.
Yes. So we talk about how friendship supposed to be.
How it's supposed to be.
How it's supposed to be.
Abi?
Friendship. Oh, chi. If I think of how friendship supposed to be, I no come know again.
But the thing be say even how friendship even they necessary.
First of all,
you know, say some people will tell you say, yeah, I don't get friends. So
make us ask you the first question.
Yeah.
People know the difference between friends and acquaintance. Zuzu alakate.
Hey.
It's shocking.
Too much.
Injibuta.
Too much.
Injibuta.
Too much English. I mean, not a man of war.
And there's no money on ground.
There's no money
on ground.
You consider I thought we are friends. You know, the person don't tell me before say we are not friends, so.
She, we are just acquaintances.
You be my friend.
She.
Many people now everlasting quarrel they on because they think say their friend betrayed them. But that was not your friend.
Really?
That was an acquaintance.
Now, educationist.
I bet throw more light on this. Just educational them because a lot of people they sit down for this table.
Because it was this now one of the things where quality of life. Make now listen very well, listeners. So this is where we to talk. Because many people, me as a lawyer, don't see where people don't say they don't plan. In fact, part of their own plan be say their friends go take care of their family.
Oh.
Their friends go take care of this one.
Now, wow.
The question be say, who be your friend?
Abi that person, you sure say be your friend.
Abi so? I just know, I know you.
Abi?
They meet today for party. Tomorrow is my bestie.
Is your classmate your friend?
Abi I just did the same class.
That now there for the same alumni fellowship.
Does that mean
yes,
say na be friends?
So
true. Who be your friend? Who be your acquaintance? Well, I think acquaintance is person where we say you know him.
Okay.
Know him one way or the other. Probably you know his name. You know you know something about him, sha. Whether you know where they work or you know where they always see him and you know his name. So you just know him. You just know something about him. Like that. Not be say it be your friend. Like that, say now know each other. You know know you. You know some major details about him. You share some things in common.
Now the word be that now share.
Exactly.
Now don't enter now self. Now him become friendship.
You go define that enter. People here enter as they talk now. Enter different to Abego. No be say now enter na self like that. I don't know what you they think, but when you say your hand don't enter, no, you don't know you don't get what they talk. Now don't fail for what you get what they talk. One right hand don't enter the left.
That's why I know no sabi English. For what? Now English word be that. Can you imagine? That's why no go school.
Last giddy na. You be talking for Igbo sef. If na Hausa.
Because my dirty. Say for what?
Hey, Malam.
I the talk.
So now get some common, some common level.
Get your back.
There's common area. There's something we now share. Yes.
They shook for
and there are 3 types of. There are 4 types of friendship. There are different types of friendship.
Okay.
So friendship they will be just be say now just day on the level of friendship, normal friendship. The other one they will be say now. In a way, romantic kind of friendship. You understand? So all of those type
they get romantic.
And friendship get different levels now. Yes.
They get agape love.
That one that one love you they talk so, but now friendship too. Yes.
But then they get that acquaintance. Now why are they always they talk and say your friend, your colleague not be your friend, your neighbor not be your friend. Now why the misconception they did? Now why a lot of people they heartbroken?
Exactly.
Now why a lot of unnecessary quarrel they burst
out.
Now when entitlement mentality they come aside.
Because you dey expect something of somebody wey be say the person dey wonder where they come from.
Just say because you and this person they go the same gym. When they work out together.
You say
how will be automatic friendship? Even
yeah.
the person where you, I'm sorry to say, even the person where they touch light. The one where they do outside marriage, I'm talking about the fornication.
Hey, Chineke.
That one is not friendship.
I beg you, this episode today, I be small boy. Don't start all of these things.
No, but they try to talk about to the educational people.
Yeah.
That one not be friendship. Because some people, they automatically they put unnecessary burden on their head about friendship. But if they say friendship, they get rules of friendship.
You see, so anything in life get principles wey guide them, wey go make them better. Okay. You understand? So, and it better make people know. But wetin I even want us make we emphasize now the importance of friendship also before we even get to the rules. Because a lot of people go say, me I no get friends, so nobody can make it alone.
Nobody in Ireland.
They go say, no, a tree cannot make a forest. Even though Esquire say I no understand English. Now proverb for English I speak so now.
A nice school.
A nice school. A tree cannot make a forest to.
A forest cannot make a tree.
Don't have the attitude that I don't need anybody or me. I don't want all this friendship. No. You feel no get exactly. You feel no get so many people you can call friends, maybe sizable, but you still need some people.
Okay.
You still need some people. We go be close to you. We go share some things in common. It's very important.
Oh, okay. But Mr. Tommy, you get something else to add to this one?
Yeah, true. You see, as they about talk, jokes aside, you see, acquaintanceship be say you and somebody, now they go towards friendship but never reach friendship level. Acquaintanceship be say now don't get something we be say in a fit talk about or relate to, like say we meet for the same class, like say we there for the same club. We did for the same church. Now get something we feel relate to, but it never pass that level. Never enter past say not only know na self, not only become to know your common grounds, common area, to know how that acquaintanceship feel become better team, progress, pass. And that's why many people, you see, if you there for the same class for so many times, we will say, now the only connection when I get is that same class. But that friendship, that knowing yourself, getting to know your likes, your dislikes, getting to become bonded, that's like the word, they never reach that level. And it's at that level that you can start seeing commitment.
Exactly.
Commitment will be say, okay, I can rely on this person because this person can hold my back, can cover for me, can be there for me. And just like you say, many people that nowadays for I have when I'm there for law school, I get someone will be say, for sake of accommodation, we rent a place for Ikoyi. But we'll not be friends.
You be big boy, or you don't be big boy since so.
I bet forget that.
You don't tell with this guy since law school. Now this guy don't be big boy.
So
he rent place for
Ikoyi. Na BQ.
He rent even na BQ. But for Ikoyi BQ. What are you talking about?
Okay, na
BQ for Ikoyi.
Na Kpako house.
Bacha for Ikoyi.
Na Bacha house.
Bacha for Ikoyi.
So we dey.
He did the same level.
I said this boy no go school.
What are you talking about?
I tell this boy no go school. The next school go.
The next boy go. We don't even get you
go school. If you go to school from Afoloku, they will tell you.
Chineke.
They will tell you not to interrupt people.
What they are talking. Afoloku be the school. Hey, Chineke.
So this guy, we are together.
Okay.
But we're not friends.
They live for the same house.
We're not friends. So in fact, in getting friends,
Abi, you get your own.
Trust. And so
now be co-habitants.
Exactly.
You know, say actually learned the hard way in this thing.
That's
why they for the same room for National Youth Center. Now when we come together, I call they do friend. I call it at times we are not friends. We are not cohabiting.
He tell you straight.
Now when we call part ways, we call realize we
are not friends.
No, now when we part ways, we call realize we be friends.
Okay. Now
you understand? Now when we call pathways, any spot I don't call, say, okay, I feel rely. Okay. Make I come to
So you don't become friends.
You don't progress
to friend.
You don't progress.
So say na there for the same compound, nobody say that be friend.
Oh.
Now if you talk about landlord, just that common ground, say landlord do this one. See that advert where they show now. Now don't do this one. But that means say that no mean say na be friends.
Good friend go tell you about reality points.
Shower.
What are you telling me?
What are you telling me?
Go tell you about say you get one house now wey be say oga if you no get house for Lagos blame yourself o. I tell you. Go tell you now.
But I really want to ask something because as you talk commitment, my mind goes somewhere. You see this way they call commitment. For you to be person or when two people don't become friends, sure it ain't necessary say they're supposed to talk like every time. They're supposed to maintain
Not
communication
necessarily.
every time.
Not necessarily.
And
But-
lack of communication mean bad friendship.
Well, not necessarily, but we must also highlight the differences in their temperament and things like that, or even in their gender.
Okay.
You know, ladies talk more. Two guys can be friends, and if something happens that they are not seeing themselves for a period, they may not be conversing over phone like typical lady friends would do. It may just be once in a while, as it were. But once they regroup again, they continue from where they stopped.
Easily.
Almost as if there was no pause.
Easily.
So that one I see friendship, even though we
Of course now.
Yes, now.
Of course now.
Yes, you now still share some things. In fact, something go fit happen where we say you won't do something. Now that person you go call, even though it's been long that you spoke, but you know that for this kind of thing, now this my guy go sort him out for me, and you go call him, and he go do it for you.
Okay.
You understand? He go do it for you. So friendship starts from acquaintance. Let's put it that way. You get to at least have a knowledge of someone, know them about one, things like that. From that level, then it go progress into proper friendship. You know, now proper friendship with the talk say make people at least get some way we say you be friends with. You understand? Friends with the same gender, with opposite gender, just friends, not platonic, nothing. We are not talking about romantic or anything here. We're just talking about something exactly, pure platonic friendship. It's very good to have such in your relationship,
Space, yes.
in your space, because it helps a lot to sort you out in life. Because friends, as you all know, or as you might have heard, they look out for each other. They watch out for one another, And if somebody is watching out for you, if you have some people watching out for you out there, you are better off. They have your interests at heart. For example, one of the rules of friendship is that friends should be loyal. You expect that your friends will be loyal. You expect that a good friend will be loyal to you.
Loyal.
Yes. Not that he's a lawyer.
So we start with talk.
I want me to talk loyal means say your friend will stand for you.
You know they because
Because people don't understand the weight behind that loyalty.
I like the way you call them.
Unflinching
Loyalty. See, you can say lawyer. I want to do speak for them. Lawyer.
Unflinching.
We plan our Saturday.
Unflinching.
Meaning say when you walk there,
Go.
you supposed stand for your friend. Whether money deal,
Trust
whether
you.
money
That
not deal,
true.
whether they go through divorce,
True.
whether landlord you don't sack and come off house.
Yeah.
Even if though you don't get space to give her.
Even if you no support waiting they happen,
They
waiting
happen.
him do.
Be
Whether
there.
him they wrong for that thing,
Some
you go still
people
tell am
ordinary
say they
police.
wrong, but you go.
Ordinary police go arrest your friend. You go run, leave all your things, leave your friend. Fear grace. You go Ghana straight. Just because say police people.
And because you say they want you for police station, you go say for where?
Do you know him? He said, he said, do you know? He said, do you know me? Do me know you? Do we meet? Are we you? Are me you?
Do we two know each other?
Yeah. That one no be loyalty. So loyalty.
So you get to that's one basic rule. So wait till they tell listeners out there, suppose find person wey go get your back. Wey be say if you are gas, know how, go because of that. Just leave you on your own, go stand by you, because we all do make mistakes at times. It's not that the friend will support your bad behavior, but at least it will be part of the people that will tell you this that you did is not really so good. But at least it will help you get out of the trouble you brought on yourself, and then help you reposition yourself so that you can find your foot again. And that is the place of friendship when we talk about loyalty. It should not be the one that will now go to town and be broadcasting the... You know?
They say, now only you now tell this gist. How come 50 people don't hear him? That one, in fact, you have become Lasgidi FM
You know,
OFP without a job here.
You know,
You are
without a job here,
broadcasting for us.
without a salary.
I'm telling you.
Chineke.
But is it get other rules on ground?
Of course now. So another one be say, look, you should be friends to someone not for their personality. I think that is very important. Not for what they have in terms of maybe their assets, not for their title because he be chief or he be doctor
This one a former
or he
governor
be this
pikin.
or something,
This will be
and
friend.
not for their position,
Okay.
for their personality. That's wetin good friendship dey dwell on. If e be because of position, the day wey that position finish,
Go.
e go end
Go
the
chop
friendship. If na title, the time wey that title no matter again, or the place wey that title no matter again, you go look the other way for the friend. If na asset, when the asset don use am finish,
They call them fair weather friends.
exact.
Fair weather.
In fact, you came highly gingered today, highly kajad.
Yes.
There is not a fair weather friend that you should have. You have friends that are friends with you simply because they like your person. They can accommodate your person. They can relate with your personality. Not that they are just there. So when you hear people say, my friend is backbiting me, a lot of the time, it is friends that, or people that appear to be, they call some people frenemy.
Frenemy.
Frenemy, okay?
Frenemy.
They are your friends. They appear to be your
But
friends,
you
but they are actually your enemies. So those are people who probably come close to you because of your asset, your title, or your
Those ones
position.
they wait like
Not
when
because
you
of
fall.
your personal. Exactly. Then they even pray.
As you fall, they go say, I talk am.
now.
Hey, I talk am say, this girl dey carry body. The day wey she go fall, you go say sorry, no cry, yeah. They'll go back, go laugh. Frenemy.
Exactly. So never talk bad about your friend. That's another rule of friendship, of good friendship. Never talk bad about your friend. No be say I go see person now, go talk good about am for in front. For in back, I say no mind am, no mind am,
All right.
Never.
I not say many more rules still dey on ground.
Of course, plenty.
So, you go fit still talk about them, or make we just say waka go.
I mean, we fit talk about another one.
Okay.
For example, keep secrets.
Wo.
Keep your friend's secret as a secret. Some people, once you want make something, once you want make something, they everywhere, make them broadcast them for you. The easiest way to achieve it with them is to tell them that, look, I have one secret to tell you.
Hi.
Once you tell them that, be sure. Now, if you tell them by 3 o'clock, by 4, the matter don't enter town.
Oh.
That kind of person don't be friend. Your secret should be, your friend's secret should be a secret with you.
And the truth of the matter is, not just your friend's secret. Even though if quarrel come outside tomorrow,
Hey, now that's what we are saying now.
you shouldn't.
That's
for any reason.
you don't even extend the discussion, because the truth of the matter is, once you are friends with someone, even if you now are no longer friends, it does not stop the respect you once had. It does not stop the secrets you've once kept. It's not now a license for you to open the secret vault and begin to divulge information. No, it's not that. Some people kill people because of that thing.
Oh.
So it's not. Your secret, your friend's secret must remain with you a secret.
And it's so funny. You know the worst part of this thing I don't see? You and person are friend. You come person can tell you secret. Because say you won't be friends with the other person.
You go
tell the secret of that person so that you can be able to
gain
trust.
the friendship of that person
Because
and
gain
trust.
I don't say when you don't gain trust, you don't become friends with that person.
Yeah.
Then you don't mind to, put that person down to gain
This other one.
person.
You dey trade with
trade
your.
about the person emotion.
You get one case study where we get for school. Maybe say this man won't come up for a job. He won't go another company.
Okay.
And the rival company of the former company, he contact them. And this new company, they need this man. They need them not be small. They need waiting get the knowledge, the experience. In context, say he's come to this new company, and then for them to know that how serious and how valuable it can be, is bringing a database of the customer of the other company.
Wow.
Because now he create that database. and is bringing it to them, come show them, because they don't treat them well. So the question be say, is it right to employ that kind of person?
Hey.
Because the answer be say no.
With that kind of,
because
some people get permanent place for one bonfire.
Because if you employ that kind of person, if you bring the database of informal company, come meet you. When you leave your own place,
you go carry your own too.
Not only database now.
You carry your own company, sir.
You remember that kind of terrible fresh wait off and go gather do some kind of wuru. You can't come out because of that corner. You can't go cast the person. Say now only you do the wuru. Now him with the accountant, they watch the documents.
That's why
I was not involved in it.
Secret, and anybody like they will talk. Anybody when they tell you secret about another person,
that person don't go keep your own.
No.
No. It's a standard rule now. Once you have somebody who is saying, "Come, let me tell you something about this person," just know, say now, so they tell other people something about you. That is not the type of friend you even want to keep. That person, you don't want to keep such a person as a friend at all.
Anyway, we still get more on top rules of friendship, but you know, still do on top better life. We go still open the phone lines, but we don't even open our message lines down already. And as we don't open the message line, all you need to do is to tell us what will be the best thing your friend don't do for you.
And what will be the worst thing?
And what will be the worst thing when your supposed friend. If you see your friend,
hey, my friends one time carry all my money. One do birthday for me. At their house, they don't chop all the money finish.
The one where even do me now for service. Where I did the work, one of my friends say service. Say I beg go. Make now boy you make economy. Me. I come up from my own house.
Yeah.
For person to stay. You know how I take pay me back. You know till they get colo where you carry come here to talk about them.
Yes.
I don't save for like 1 year.
You carry come out.
It is everything. Leave it cloth run.
Can you imagine?
I tell you.
No, I no get. No be use copper the person beat you.
No, use copper.
How he can't take
he
on?
Come up for the town. So he no even they come.
CDS.
This happened like 3 months before he come out
for when
so he just come doing passing out. You know, say they don't do passing out. They don't come
yeah.
certificate. Can't he run?
Can you imagine?
I find. I no see him.
You don't see him again.
I no see him.
So
no,
that
he can't send me message.
Say,
can't they apologize? Say no, the spirit will push him.
Spirit will push him after I don't finish the money.
Now as I give you, let me come up my own house for you. Friend though.
Can imagine.
I don't cheat something. I'm wicked now.
Yeah, wait.
I'm wicked. The last one went to me, not be the one where I give person money. I got to transport, go all the way to Onisha, go collect my money.
If I cheat you, I mean I say I go get close to you. You mean I say you be back of the people. You know that People's Bank where they is it back of the people or People's Bank? That bank that time. People's Bank. You mean I say you are a branch of People's Bank. That former. You when they dole something out anyhow like that. Dole house out, dole money out.
So you write me long epistle. Cause I'm sorry, I don't know the spirit will push me to carry your money.
Why be saying that spirit they always
spirit now? A mini.
So one major thing where good friend go do for you be say if good friend see or hear of something good, they no go keep am to themselves, they go share with you.
At all.
As they go now, I know so many people wey be say they tell me say, you know say this property where I get, now my friend help me. Because the guy just called me one day, tell me say, hey, this opportunity dey me I dey consider to do am o. Now I say make I tell you too so that if you consider am, I mean, make we do am together, we go ginger ourselves. And that's why I am a landlord or a property owner today. A lot of people don't tell me. So, what I go tell people be say, look, as they hear about this opportunity, where we don't they share, don't keep it to yourself. If you have good friends, you should share it with them because they also deserve something good. What are we sharing? If you're a Nigerian, and you dey at least above 18 years old and you get work where you dey do, whether na salary work or na say you dey do business and you can put aside 4,000 naira a day or 80,000 naira in a month minimum, you can put that aside. You don't get house. You don't get house for Lagos, whether na for Lekki area or flat apartment or bungalows for around Igbesa, Mowe, another part, they're even up to Abuja. You don't get house. All you need to do is to reach us And the number to call, as we don't dey talk about these days, the number to call, may I call you the number?
All right.
The number to call is 080-9063-4766. May I repeat am? 080-9063-4766. If we say you are a Nigerian, you dey above 18, and you get work where you dey do, and you dey earn money wey be say at least you can put aside 4,000 naira every day or 80,000 naira minimum in a month, okay? You fit get house, flat apartment or bungalow, 2-bedroom wey be say you go fit expand am to 3-bedroom later, or 3-bedroom bungalow. For Lekki side, for Mowe Ofada, for Igbesa, and for some other areas then, Jai in Abuja and all of those places, New Kashi in Abuja also. All you need to do is call us and we will fix you up. We just sort that for you. And once you've done hear this one now, you get good friends. Carry them along. That's what friendships are for. That's what a good friend is for.
That's true. That song, eh? That's what friends are. Away.
Now,
Dione.
See this message they coming here. Akindele say, Gidi FM, good afternoon. On friendship, the Bible talks say no friend like Jesus. A friend do something to me around 1990, and we be mates for school in the military service in the same office. But he betrayed me. But Jesus Christ now he saved me. Now wow.
Serious one.
Okay. Good afternoon, that's Gidi. Now my name is Okoro Bobo. I have been girlfriend for school, but I've not told her anything about our relationship yet. She chatted me on Facebook that she's married. The word be say she knows she has her opinion with me, but I don't have any friend because of her. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start.
I don't understand though.
He say he can't shout, I qualify.
I don't understand. This guy now guy.
He never tell the lady say he like him.
He obviously because he say I don't tell her anything.
You don't tell him anything now.
Yeah, tell her on Facebook. She's married.
So wait till you expect her make she do.
My brother
say
okay.
He say you don't seek in your opinion. Another thing wey your friends supposed do. Friends should be ready to sacrifice.
Exactly.
It's not going to be always convenient. If you know, like this Esquire now, sometimes I pity him. You dey studio that way we say you go just do James Bond reach here. Sometimes the kind schedule I don't dey watch. Okay, you get one day in day one program. I see say they coordinate the program. Me himself, where I did the program online, I leave the program come studio. Do you know say he still finished? He didn't eat the food that day. In the hotel, in the venue. I mean, I haven't stayed and done something since morning. Now that jacket wey don dey sweat with for that place, now he still carry enter in car, still drive himself reach here. Immediately after the program, he still dey go. You know say most times when we finish like this, don't rush because he gets another appointment with. That is sacrifice. That is friendship. That's friendship. So he's not doing it because it is just convenient. Do you understand? So one must be ready to sacrifice for friendship.
Going is good.
I'm telling him this now so that next time he won't give me excuse.
They tell me play trap. You know when they for youth service. Now me suggest for inside camp. Say make we go town go look for job for Enugu.
Okay.
Now me lead. Now me be like spokesperson.
Okay.
Take them go. If I go to First Bank, go to Union Bank. And because of the way we talk, because okay, we go look into your matter. Make you now return in 1 week's time. We'll give you some word for you. You know the day where 1 week reach. I can't talk my friend say make we go.
Go.
Say day 1 week.
The guy go tell you say he's busy.
He say busy.
But he don't go.
He don't go. I know.
He go your back.
He don't.
Because he say if na one job they get, you don't go do the two of us. Make I collect am. In fact, they will embarrass you sometimes.
I said I was shocked.
Can't discover.
I said I can't go back camp. Say bros, what kind of person you be? Now me introduce this concept to you. Now me they could not go out. Now me go meet commandants make you come out.
See?
Now you can't go back. I say what like okay, I just leave them.
Can you
But you
imagine?
say this thing you mentioned, I do something like this, but maybe I report myself.
In fact, report yourself.
I did local government.
Okay.
The guy
Now youth service too
I
again.
use service.
So many things they happen for this youth service.
Now
Now the same youth service they carry your polo come out.
That's a youth service. So the best because say you get one radio station where they just open, say they look for cover. Say you want go there.
Okay.
So luckily for me, and kind of unfortunately for him, he never can get in posting
Later.
So me, I can't say make I go view the environment first.
Okay.
I can't go there, view the place. Like the person can't see the first two couples and maybe me and one other guy.
Okay.
The man just say, I want the two of you. So the guy can't say, you don't they road, they come. I say, okay, they come now. But as the guy called, the man say, we don't want you again. We have taken who we want.
Woo!
Am I a bad person?
But you agree with the guy say make you go
check out the place. He said they go and they go.
Okay, and you don't do bad like that now. You don't do bad like
Am
that.
I a Yahoo boy?
No, but she don't do bad like that. Oh. She tell the guy now, say me I won't go inspectorate the place.
The guy just ban say we don't want you anymore.
And if it be say they actually, because she said you and another lady were the first. If it be say na ladies they even they look for.
Because the guy, the guy don't finish that talk. He talk that talk something.
Better see they talk now.
About something that you they call collect.
Okay. Nigerian no, and you dey above 18 years and above, and you dey work one, whether na salary job or na business wey you dey do, say you fit dey even separate 4,000 naira every day or 80,000 naira minimum in a month. You fit separate am, take do something, settle maybe house issues. If you fit afford that kind thing, you don get house. You don't get house for this Lagos or for Mowe or further them for Igbesa area, for even Abuja, then Jai area or New Kashi, for all of those areas. Every other place where we get this kind of program where we dey run, so you don't get house. Well, 2-bedroom bungalow where you fit expand to 3-bedroom later, or 3-bedroom bungalow they don't do finish, or flat, 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, studio, 3-bedroom, flat apartment. You don't get house. All you need to do now to call this number. Call the number now and we will take you through the journey. 080 90 63 47 66. I will repeat it. 080 90 63 47 66. Now, as we talk about, no be say just land though. You don't get. The program is set and it's in your favor. So make you tell your friend too. Don't just keep unto yourself. Don't be just land.
House.
You don't get house.
I will tell you. Anyway, let me just go through the messages that we get on ground. We see this one from Victor from Ojodu Beggar. He said, good afternoon. No, the worst thing my friend don't do for me, they say they collect money from me illegally. They constantly beat me on top.
Beat and a friend.
The best thing a friend don't do for me, they say he take care of my mama when I know they are around for 2 good years.
Wow, that's a good friend. That's a good one.
Whereas you see this one for years, good afternoon, let's get FM. A friend in class will buy something of 15,000 naira, and he said, I will pay. He said, imagine.
He's still planning to pay now.
Now we see this one say, good afternoon. Since my girlfriend, since my girlfriend did what she did to me, I cut off anything where they call friendship. My girlfriend be spoil my name by telling my my girlfriend be spoil my name, telling my boyfriend lies about me, not knowing say she want the papa. When she comes to say we don't separate, she comes out to send a message. That was how the guy can't know say all those things na lie. I thank God say today me and the guy don't come back again and she's hiding from me. Esther, send this one from Ikorodu.
Wow.
Why we see this one for you? I have many experiences about friends, so let me just tell you the least one. I told the only best friend I had that I had to go to Lagos to look for work. We can't agree. She can't let her go Lagos without informing me. Can't get the job. She not tell me anything.
This work matter don't tell.
I was asking her when to go. She kept posting me until I know they interested again. I got to know from my brother that she has been employed in Lagos for like 6 months. He didn't pay me. I called her several, she no pick. I didn't cut the friendship up. Till today, Till date, I don't get any friend though. I just talk to people on neutral ground.
Wow.
And your
Wow.
send this one. Good afternoon, let's get every qualify you. There is no friend like Jesus. So my babe come for visiting. I was not around. My friend called me on phone. I tell her make you go arrange affordable hotel for her that night. Chi, my friend go behind me for morning, go touch light out. No, that's kidding. Oh, messages full everywhere. We see this one. I say good afternoon. Oh. The university wey friend don do for me na 2006 when I did Lagos State University. A friend of mine from Kaduna been paid 2 years apartment for me.
Wow.
But wetin trouble me now be say till now I never set my eyes on her again.
Oh, wow.
My name na Kogi Firstborn from Agege. No last gidi, no
radio.
radio. So many messages, but I know they are
I tell you, on the road, share forgiveness. Friends forgive because friends do offend themselves. You know why? We are not perfect. None of us is. So we will go wrong sometimes. Once somebody don't accept it wrong and genuinely, repent of it, I think it's also a good role for another friend to forgive the other friend that is repentant of his bad behavior as is. Nobody say person they constantly do the same thing every time, but at least somebody is genuinely, remorseful about whatever.
It's not one of
preaching.
So you say me and the preacher, saying a pastor, I mean, you can imagine like that one where you share now with when person do business. He said the friend buy something of 15,000. Go mean say that 15,000 cost for a market, and that's why they say that look, business will succeed when family and friends pay for goods and services. A lot of times when somebody say be your friend, and he won't patronize you but he no won't pay, that one na friend. I understand if they ask for commission, if they ask for a discount, I mean, but friend maybe ask for friendship discount, but make it they say you no won't pay, that one won't ruin your business, so that one no be good friendship. Good friends pay when they patronize you for goods and services.
I tell you, that one is very, very
I
important.
tell you.
Also, I like the part of forgiveness. But Mr. Tomi, you get something to talk about this friendship thing.
I beg, you see, friendship counts. Friendship is important. But you see, my own petition say, try to test your friendship first. Make you know just the things that you get friendship.
Exactly.
Test the waters.
Test them. Test them. Even ask yourself, like you yourself, you be a good friend to that person.
Because sometimes with the shout, all toxic people stay away from me. Sometimes you're
now
the toxic one. Now you.
With that youth chef.
Now you people they run from
yes.
the same kind of friend that one.
Yes.
Because they don't mind and haters. Haters.
Because yes, sometimes now you will get the odor where they drive them come out.
This one not talk.
In Djibouti.
I'm not a man of war.
I'm not a preacher of law.
Tap away.
All right, we don't talk about here. You go need to man break on some better life when we carry content.
Okay.
Live and direct from Realty Point Limited. Don't forget to follow them on top social media. 16 years in business. Why are you not?
Why
are you not doing business with them?
So
You they run. Realty Point Ltd on top Instagram and Facebook, and of course they are Gadi at Debo Adejono for Instagram, and for YouTube Debo Adejono TV. Follow one and see all the better things with them drop for you. How about you next week? My name is Nancy Ojina Seko Chichi. I'm the second landlord gang. Then just follow that talk. Till next week, we're gonna get correct day.